How do you convert metric units of mass? Think about this question during the lesson. The three most commonly used units of mass are the milligram, the gram, and the kilogram.
Converting metric units of mass is like converting other metric units.
How would you order 1 gram, 1 kilogram, and 1 milligram from least to greatest unit of mass?
Select your answer.
From least to greatest, the units of mass are 1 milligram, 1 gram, and 1 kilogram. A whistle has a mass of about 5 grams. How many milligrams is this? Should you expect more than 5 milligrams or fewer than 5 milligrams in 5 grams? Explain how you know. You should expect more than 5 milligrams in 5 grams. Milligrams are smaller units than grams, so there should be more of them. To change from a larger unit to a smaller unit, multiply. Find 5 times 10 to the third power. So, 5 grams equals 5,000 milligrams. So, a whistle has a mass of about 5,000 milligrams. How many kilograms is the whistle? To change from a smaller unit to a larger unit, divide. Find 5 divided by 10 to the third power. So, 5 grams equals 0.005 kilogram. So, a whistle has a mass of about 0.005 kilogram. Now you know how to convert metric units of mass.